Welcome to Starmedic, the ultimate Star Wars medical diagnosis app. In this app presentation, you'll become a skilled medic diagnosing and treating patients across the galaxy. Let's dive right into it. So we can start by understanding who our patient is. Our patient is Tyron Wraith, and he is a Kifar from the Star Wars universe. And two main things about him: he usually has a tendency to downplay his symptoms and considers them as trivial. Also, he uses humor as a coping mechanism. We're going to use this information while trying to diagnose Tyron and see what he has going on with him, trying to see if we can diagnose him accordingly. So this is the game. So our patient's Tyron Wraith, and we could see two sides to it. The right side is the conversation history, and the left side is the patient coming to us and talking to us about his symptoms. And you can see that he's reported a headache, and we have four options here that we could get back to him with, and where we can try to understand a little bit more about what he's trying. So we've asked, have you noticed any shortness of breath or chest pain? And yep, it looks like it's the correct option, and he's responded with he has noticed that he's getting winded up a little bit easier, and he also has a little discomfort in his chest. And we're going to go ahead with some other option. I'm going to skip through this so that we could understand a little bit more about how the app works. I picked the wrong option here, and I should have picked something else. And it says that, hey, you have an incorrect question you've asked. It's irrelevant to what the patients have right now, and we've not been awarded any points for this one. But he also says that he just answered our question. I'm going to go ahead and try to ask something else at this point. Hey, can you please go and get a blood pressure measurement done? And this is correct. And it says, okay, I'll go get it done. And it says, yep, the reading is showing a little elevated levels of blood pressure. I'm going to go ask him to get an electrocardiogram. And yep, that was the correct question. I should have asked him about the electrocardiogram, and I got it. And he's come back and he said, there's some signs of heart strain, but nothing too severe. But we're on the right track. We're trying to figure out where he is with his health position. Looks like we've decided to go with, hey, maybe the patient has hypertension. And yep, we're correct. And once we're correct, it says, yep, you found a disease, hypertension. That's correct. Makes sense. And you've been prompted by the app, disease found. You can also see that our score has popped up by 500 points for guessing the correct disease. And now we have to suggest correct treatment plans for the patient to understand what's happening. Looks like we found a correct TP. A TP is a correct treatment plan, and we've suggested the correct one to him. So that's going to keep going ahead. Yep, and now you've declared the winner because you've found enough treatment plans for the user, and that's it. You can keep going. You can try to understand a little bit more about the user, try to get all of the treatment plans, but now you declared the winner. You can refresh the page and start again. That's it. Thank you.